Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube. We're just running around because it's really cold. And then when we get hot, we will,
Hey, you remember me? My bangs are now, so it's kind of hard to recognize me. But hi, I'm Riley. I was in his other video. Go check it out if you haven't seen it. The face reveal. I'm eating chocolate. Leftover festivals.
yes. Okay. Now we're just going to play on our playground. Like I think I showed you.
Show me.
It's really dark.
Show me.
You guys might not see it.
Show me.
But here it is. Here's there.
Show me.
Look.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, it is so much better.
Hi, guys.
Wait, hold this. Hold the camera. I'm pointing at me.
Okay, let me get a better light angle.
Guys, our cabin is so much fun.
Yeah.
I wish you guys
Pick it
were
up.
here to celebrate with me.
How about we tell them the address? Just kidding.
No.
The address is. Just kidding.
She doesn't even know what the address is.
Well, we're outside and there's no gate, so I can just go check.
There's a huge driveway. It goes really long. Hi.
By long, he means a few miles. Kidding. It's like,
I'm just kidding.
no, it's like a third of a mile long.
I know, it's actually really long. And my other videos are kind of funny.
Chocolate.
Kind of dumb.
Dumb videos are funny videos.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
I think we're gonna end the video in like
It's only like
a couple seconds.
what?
Not probably a couple
Hours?
seconds.
Minutes?
It is actually super windy.
It's cold!
It is actually really windy.
I have a cat. Oh my God.
Really windy.
Cat chuck.
Okay, let's just. I'm gonna go inside and record this. We're just gonna go inside and record this because it's really windy. And guys, there were no tornadoes here. Hopefully there's not.
Hi, sweet Romy.
Okay. So, yeah. So I don't know what to do. So I think I'm gonna end the video. Bye guys. Bye.